Okay, so this is name of Gerald or George. I don't know. Gerald did it after George Jr. I think it was George or something. And
So let me redeem myself tonight. 'Cause I just need one more shot.
yeah, my dad played that to me. And that keeps changing. It keeps changing to the preview. And I hope that was all. No, I didn't. And mom said that she said that she didn't.
I'll take every single piece of the blame if you want me to. But you know that there is no innocent one in this game for two. I'll go, and then you go and spill the truth. Can we both say the words and forget this? Yeah, is it too late now to say sorry? 'Cause I'm missing you and now I'm sorry. Oh, is it too late now to say sorry? Yeah, I know that I let you down. Is it too late to say sorry now? I'm not just trying to get you back with me, no. 'Cause I'm missing you and now I'm sorry. Is it too late now to say sorry?
Rainbow.
Yeah, I know that I let you down. Is it too late to say sorry now?
That's basically what I just want to show you. Yeah, that's it. My merch. Y'all, my merch gets so happy, makes me so happy. Spin it. And it's all, yeah. Give me thumbs up, because I have no subscribers.